What are high-level credits? Hey there, my name is Kerry. Knoll. In this video, I'm going to answer this question for you by trying to explain how this all works inside of HighLevel and how you can set this up if you are using SaaS mode. So 3 questions I'll be answering in this video for you to help you understand this better. Question number 1, how much are the fees in HighLevel? 2, how to give credits in HighLevel. And 3, how to add more credits in HighLevel. So let's hop out of here and into the first page I want to share with you is the services fee schedule. So this is the information that comes directly out of HighLevel. And I created a page for my white label SaaS to help folks understand what it costs to run their software in their business. So charge to the customer, $10 will give you about, and then it gives you the information. Making calls, receiving calls, text messages, emails, email verification, and workflow actions. And then there's also about words for creating writing, workflow AI, conversation AI, reviews, etc. So all of this is what we would consider giving credit for. And you can see the values right here. Now all these values you see on this page are doubled the minimum of what I am charged to use it. So if you see whatever value you see here, it would be half of that normally if you're doing this in your own SaaS configurator, and then you'd want to mark it up like I did, and I marked it up 2 times, okay, which is still very, very inexpensive for everybody. However, it does make a little margin for the reseller. All right, so you can see, like, making calls, it's 0.2 or 0.028 cents a minute. Receiving calls, 0.017 cents per minute. Text messages, 0.0158 a segment, which is 160 characters. $10 will give you about 7,145 emails. $10 in credits would give somebody about 2,000 email verifications, about 500 workflow actions. Again, down here, $10 would give them about 55,555 words or 85 images using AI, 165 workflows for workflow AI, 250 messages for conversation AI, and about 65 review responses for reviews AI or reviews. And then, of course, the individual values here too. Words would be about 18 cents for 1,000 words or 12 cents per image. And then we have 6 cents workflow AI and 4 cents a conversation message, and then 16 cents a review. Okay, remember these numbers are all double, so really it's 8 cents, it's 2 cents, it's 3 cents, it's 6 and 9, all that, right? And then these values were also doubled up, so these would all be half of that as well. Okay, and then how do we do that, right? Well, if we have the white label SaaS, then we can set up our SaaS configurator, and inside our SaaS configurator, we can set up all kinds of SaaS plans, and I have a bunch of different ones here. And then if you want, you can add credits, right? And the complementary credits, as you see under each plan, is right here. You can see I have 0 in this plan, 0 in this plan, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I'm trying to find one that has potentially something. This one does. This one's got $67 in complimentary credits, okay? So what we can do is we can click on Edit Details, and we can look at it and look at the Trial and Credits tab, and we can see where we have the trial period and add credits upon sign up. You can add one-time or recurring credits for your client. We have recurring monthly credits, and we can choose to roll over unused complimentary credits to the next month if we enable that. However, we don't have that enabled on this plan, and we have $67 there. Now, why 67? I'm not sure. I can't remember why I chose that number for this one. This is not a plan that's live right now anyways, it doesn't really matter. However, that value could be whatever you want it to be. But when you do sign up clients to your white label SaaS, it is best practice to add complimentary credits, because you don't want them to have to pay something out of pocket right away on top of what they've already paid you to hook them up with your software, right? So if you're charging them $500 a month, it'd be great if they didn't have to pay for emails and text messages and everything else right off the bat too. So that's why you want to potentially give them enough credits so they can get in there and use it and not pay for that stuff extra. But then if they go over the total amount of credits, they can be charged accordingly, which works out in your favor anyway. So just factor that in, and factor in how much you want to give them based on what you're going to end up charging them, and it'll all work out in the end for you. Okay, so that's what credits are in HighLevel, and that's how they are associated. Again, the credits is dollar value, total dollar value, and then how the user in the software ends up using that credit is up to them, whether it's going to be emails, SMS text messages, email verifications, part of AI stuff that they can do inside the software, using it for any of the stuff that's listed on this fee schedule. Again, conversation AI, reviews AI, workflow AI, content AI, again, the phone system with the phone calls and text messages, email system sending emails, email verification, and then premium actions and workflows they want to utilize. So those credits just get spread out to whatever they're using it for. And most people will probably just end up using it for the phone system and email system primarily, but more advanced users down the road will probably end up using it for some of this stuff as well. All right, so that's how it all works. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this particular video. If you have any further questions regarding any of this, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me your question below this video in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.